Hi guys, I'm gonna have a look at how to win the Microsoft Excel World Championship, first battle of Road to Las Vegas 2026 from Dim, early the winner of last year's championship and, well, probably the GOAT, at least for me. I'm not doing everything, but I wanna try level 6, where we have a friendly but misunderstood monkey that is being chased by wolves. And the monkey does a move, and afterwards the wolves step in closer, and we are supposed to say when it reaches, yeah, the monkey. In which cell I imported my lambdas here because I don't want to do the moving part without lambdas. That I'm just gonna start. I guess steps maybe is that. Then let's just reduce that. No, 8 stack monkey with text split. That lambda IC. I forgot the sequence. That just says sequence 1 because I want to see. So how long is this? So if it runs out or if it's catched before running out of the moves, it keeps going, it keeps going. So either you can repeat that, or what I'm doing is I'm not repeating it and I'm just taking the index and mod. Oh, well, technically I can also just repeat, but I don't know how many times. Let's just say that, I don't know, 15. How many is enough? Is 100 enough? Let's just do 15. Then we can do steps here. It's a little bit different now. Okay, let's see. So I have let my monkey start or something is take I1, wolf start is drop I1, then my direction is C, so monkey new is move monks C, right? So when we give it out, then we can have a look at how that looks. So it's because I did a lot of steps, so let's just put an at in front so I can only do once. That was of course wrong. And not the at there, but here. So yeah, B5 because I go down left, that is nice. Now we have to take the step for the wolves. I have lambdas for getting into a certain direction. So let's say wolf is an A1, right? So then I have it's a direction cell. So from that to that. Oh, I did a dot. Is down and right. Right, I go right and down. So with that, I can now say monkey or wolf's new, I guess. That would be map. No, let's just wolf direction. Map wolves. Maybe I will actually do it directly, probably easier. Wolves is map. Oh, I already have wolves new. Map wolves under W. First thing is I want the direction, so Richtung Zeller. From to, so from will always be my W. I want to the monkey new, right? So if I'm doing that, Wolfson, this is the direction. So we have down right here, we have down left, we have up left, and we have up. So that looks fine. Oops. Now I want to move on that right, so I want to move move W from that. So let's see. Now I have those new steps B9, E7, D2 and E2, yeah. And now I can say, well, if or monken equals wolf's n, then I just want monk n, else I want h stack monk n wolf's n, right? So now like that, if I take all the steps, I get a calc, but this is because I only have one. left, so I can take, but I can't drop because drop with only one giving me calc, and calc populates through. So that means I can say if columns I equals 1, then I else do all that, and there we go. And just do like that. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. So it's hard, I think, still, if you don't know how to do it, but either you do a model and drag it down, or you get used to the reduce. Of course, we can also do that without, that's always an escape, right? So, I mean recursive. So instead of that, you can start with them, and you're doing the same, just calling it with the next iteration. So actually, we can try to do that. So I have my text split, right? So now I need to probably do a sequence from that. So let's just say steps is it? It's not text split. So I think I want a sequence now. So let's just say we have S is actually I think we can do it a little bit different. So how do I want to do it? So let's say br, I don't know, lambda br and I and C, I guess. And now C is my count, which is fine. This is what I'm starting with, okay. So lambda, I got it like that. So I have if columns E is 1, I don't need that. Let monks is still take from I is fine, both drop from I is also fine. Movement now I need C pretty much, so let's just say count, cool. So that I can see is index steps, cool. Right, then it should be the same. Was if or monkey and h stack, and here I have to call it with br that. I need to check where I'm after that. And I want 0 plus 1, I guess. Like that. Okay, now I can probably go here and call br that, and well, let's see. Oh, value of false. Ah, what did I fuck up? Yeah, let. That is the last calculation, which is fine. H monkey. Oh, what is that? Oh, I had no idea, did it so much. Okay, so that does not look good. So where's the error? I'm starting with if monkey not, then I want monkey new, else br h stack monkey new what new and zero. Ah, because I can't take index. Shit. Yeah, because 0, if I take index 0, I get everything, I get a calc. But yeah, so here this would be the same answers, but it's instead of using reduce with an escape, here's the escape, right? If so I still do all my steps even though I don't need them, but when I only have one column, I just stay there, so it's quite fast because it does not do that, since this is short-circuiting everything. But here it's different because I actually don't overshoot. I just stop at the condition instead of calling it again with the next number and the new starting addresses. Yeah, so that's how I would solve that. Thanks for watching and have a great day.